Hello everyone, welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Node.js on a Windows operating system. So now to install Node.js, first simply go to favorite browser and to type over here Node.js download, hit enter. So that will show you this nodejs.org, so just go to their official site. So this link I am going to provide right in our channel description. Once when you are here, you will see that our Node.js is available and our latest version is version 22.18.1 and that is the LTS edition. So when you click on that, you're going to see all these different versions, right? So from here, this version 22.17.1 is the LTS edition or long-term support. So I always recommend you to download this one. So this LTS one, do not download the current edition, that might be a buggy software. Alright, so always download the LTS edition. So select that and which operating system you are using, you need to proceed with that, and then you need to click on this Windows installer.msi button. So when you click on that, it going to immediately start downloading our Node.js, and you can see that our Node.js is right downloaded. Just simply click on that installer, just simply click on next over here, accept the license agreement, click on next, and this is where our Node.js is going to be installed. Totally fine, click on next, again next. You can skip this chocolatey and click on next, and ready to be installed, click on install. It will ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and our Node.js is rightly started installing. So let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. So we'll come back. So now you can clearly see that our Node.js is rightly installed. You can just simply click on finish. And now if you go to search and just simply type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt, if you just simply type node space dash dash version and just simply hit enter, you are going to see this type of prompt. That is that exact version that we have installed, version 22.78.1. And if you want to work on JavaScript code snippet, so you can first type node and hit enter. So that's going to give you this arrow. So here you can write simple JavaScript code snippet, so console.log, and you can just simply print something like hello world. So like hello world. So hit enter. So that's going to show you the output on your console. So in this way you can easily install latest version of Node.js and you can start working on your JavaScript projects. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to use Visual Studio Code for JavaScript. So here is the video. So again, this video link I am going to provide right in our channel description, so that will help you to learn how to use JavaScript on Visual Studio Code. So for that also we'll need Node.js as well. So now that you have Node.js already installed, so only thing that you need is Visual Studio Code. I need to set it up for JavaScript. So for that you can just watch this video. And if you're interested on Python, then I highly recommend you to follow this cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely available for free on our channel, along with the detailed source code also you are going to get on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.